Hello my beautiful crafty friends, I am Katia with Lunar Sun Creations, and I was just sent a beautiful subscription box from my creative studio, so let's unbox it. The only thing I've done is cut the tape. I haven't looked inside at all yet, so it's like a little early Christmas every time you get one of these boxes. It's really cool. Okay, so let's check it out. Just gonna pull this whole thing right out. There we go. Okay, let's check it out. All right, so some washi tape it looks like. Oh, well, that's quite nice. Okay, cool. We'll create something with that. Can I put it back on the roll properly here? All right, we've got a second washi here. Let's see. Oh, that'll coordinate nicely. Perfect. Cling stamp. Oh, it's a train. Sweet, sweet. I'm not quite sure what the theme is so far, but we'll figure it out. I mean, it's all very antique-y. We've got a travel theme going on. Yep, this stamp actually says travel right on it. So we've got a little bit of a travel theme. Cool, cool. All right, and one more cling stamp. And another train. Okay, so we're all about train and travel with this one. All right, what else we got? Globe map. Are these? Oh, they're just so little tiny little map papers. Ooh, I like that one. Okay, awesome. All right, this looks like more papers. Oh, we've got some vellum in here. Ooh, that one's cool. Like that one. Okay, so it looks like we've got a few different varieties, some actual paper, some vellum. Mostly script. Okay, cool. Those are very, very usable. Excellent. Are these stickers, maybe? Okay, not stickers, but they're just a whole bunch of like cool little advertisement kind of scenarios. Some cool little ephemera, all kind of travel based. Oh, that didn't work at all. It just fell right through. Okay, so we'll have to find something else to put those in. All right. Oh, I think these might be the stickers. Okay. Just open this up. World Wonders. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, these are stickers. So we've got Paris. Got some music notes. Okay, so these are really cute. I like these. I love that there's like the postage stamp. So London, so all over Europe. Some maps. Okay, cool. Excellent. What else? All right, some more little papers. Looks like we've got a few of each design here. And these looks like these stickers? Yeah, these are stickers as well. They've also got train on them. I actually really love train travel. I've taken the train quite a few places, across India, down from BC to California, across part of Canada. Oh, this is a sticky notepad. Okay, cool. And so some more train and travel themed papers. We've got actual, it's like a thin, around the same weight as like a copy paper, maybe a little bit thicker. Oh, and then these ones are quite a bit thicker. And then some vellum. Oh, I love the vellum ones. Very cool. All right, so the same design in each. Oh, I like that one. That one's quite cool as well. All right, fantastic. All right, should we make a couple? These would be great for masculine cards, I think. Should we make a couple cards or maybe a journal page or something with these? Let's see what we can come up with. Okay, I'm gonna make a couple fairly simple cards and we'll see how different we can make them. I am just going to do some stamping on a piece of cardstock here. And this is just going to be in the background because I'm going to put some vellum over it, but I think we'll be able to make out that it is a train. Okay, so I'm just going to put this vellum on here. I'm just going to use some score tape, I think. You will be able to see the tape a little bit through the vellum, but I'm okay with that. Well, not quite straight, but again, I'm okay with that. It's not about perfection around here. All right, so now I've got some of the little bits and pieces from this part here. Back them on some black cardstock, and we're just going to adhere those. Have a couple going this way. Let's see, let me just get a kind of an organization of how I want these to go. Maybe something like that. And then I'm going to have enjoy the journey there, I think. Maybe one of the train stickers. Let's see. I think I'm going to have a train sticker here. So first I want to put these two down. I don't want, we'll just go with whatever kind of happens here. Okay, and then I've got a couple up on foam tape just to give a little bit of dimension here. I'm going to put this one on foam tape as well. That one right there. Okay, I think I like that. I'm just going to cut the little bits that are overhanging the edge here, if I can get it off my sticky mat here. Okay, I'm just going to put this on a card base now. So there is that one. I think it turned out great. I put it on a black card base with a white note card inside so you can write on it. I think that turned out really, really cool. I like it. Okay, so let's make another one. This one's gonna be even simpler. I'm gonna use some sprays. Okay, for this one, I'm gonna take a couple sprays. I've got some Pink Flamingo in Dilutions. I'm just gonna spray once onto my mat. I've also got some, got this truffle. Maybe I'll try that. And a tiny bit of concrete. Okay, now I'm going to spritz my mat with some water. And just kind of dip my card panel into it. Okay, and then let it dry. Okay, that one might be a little bit too saturated. I'm going to do one with a little bit more blank space. Okay, I'm going to dry these two. Okay, so I've got a card panel with one of the pieces of paper. I redid this because I wanted it to be a little bit more brown, and then I cut it down a little bit. So I'm going to place that in the center. Then I'm going to use a couple of the stickers. Oh. There we go, okay. Okay, so I'm going to have this one kind of going all the way off the side. And that one up here. And this one right here. So let's put this one on first. Oh, I didn't realize quite how see-through these were going to be, but that's all right. Okay, and then this one in the center. Okay, and then I'm just going to put See the World up here. I've got it backed on some of the vellum. And then down here, this actually means found object, which really has nothing to do with our card, but it was French, and since the whole card was Paris, I thought that it could work. So we're going with it. And that's gonna go right there. And then I'm just gonna cut off the bits that are overhanging here. And I think I might go around those stickers with a black marker or something. Am I gonna regret that? I don't know. I'm gonna see. Yeah, I think I'm going to. I might go around the... Oh, I'm already regretting this. Oh, well, too late now, I'm committed. Alright, I feel like now that I've done that one, I need to do the other two. Okay, and there's the other one. I actually end up quite liking it. I like them both. I think they're really good travel cards. So I hope you enjoyed that. There is my unboxing of Your Creative Studio subscription box and a couple cards that I made with the contents. Please give this video a like, give a little boop. Oh, that's a very big finger. Give a little boop to the subscribe button. That would be much appreciated. And I will see you again very, very soon. Bye.